Today, we'll be working on a 1978 Sachs Balboa. This is actually a returning customer. Today, he's having a fuel issue. His bike will run, but with full throttle, it bogs out. Most likely due to the tank derusting that we did a while back. I suspect a dirty carburetor. Just looking at it, it shows signs of previous rust minerals, which is confirmed after looking at the fuel filter. The first thing I did was something I should have done in the first place, adding a paper fuel filter. With the proper fuel filter ready to go, it was time to remove and clean our carb. Our carburetor is clearly getting gas, but after cracking it open, it's very clear how dirty it is inside. Taking a closer look at this main jet shows that we can hardly see through it. After giving all the internals a good spray with carb cleaner, I focused on this main jet, which the cleaner wasn't blasting through like it should. It looks like it is, but it's not to the level that it should be. Using a stripped down bread tie, I was able to get out the debris. If you look closely, you can actually see what was clogging the jet. That is a night and day difference. Now it's time to put everything back to the way it goes and try to start this bike up again. And with the bike running as it should, I noticed that the chain was slapping a lot, and it was very loud. So I loosened the rear wheel and lined everything up how it should be. So with that, I hope that this gives you a closer look and a better understanding of the internals of your square Bing carburetor.